Hi everyone, welcome to my mini lesson where in just a few minutes we'll explore the five key English topics I learned: the present tenses, past tenses, modal verbs, connectors, the present perfect and conditional forms. Present simple and present continuous. The present simple is used for routines, facts and habits. Examples: and study English every day. Is negative form use dot, does it, and question use do, does. The present question describes actions happening right now or temporary situations. Examples: I am skipping to you right now. Is negative uses am not, isn't, aren't, and question invert. Past simple and past continuous. The past simple is for completed actions in the past. Example: I visited my grandmother yesterday. Negatives use did and question start with did. The past continuous describes actions that were in progress and a moment the past. Examples: I used student when it started to rain. Questions begin with was, were, and negatives used wasn't, weren't. Modal verbs. Modal verbs held of express ability, permission, obligation, or habit. Some common words are kind, count, must, have to, should, may, might. Examples: ability: I can swim. Obligation: you must wear a helmet. Advice: you should drink more water. They are easy modals don't change from and doing didn't to. Connectors. Connectors link ideas and make rhyme flow smoothly. Some examples are and, but, because, however, therefore. First, next, finally, in addition, for examples. As a result, why, then, after than, during. And moreover, a connectors in context. I was starting by finishing my homework because it is important. Present perfect, fringe, and conditionals. The present perfect connects the past with the present. Examples: I have learned many grammar topics this year. Negatives use have, hasn't, and question start with have, has. The phrase conditional talks about real future possibilities. If I study, I will pass. The second conditional talks about imaginary or unlikely situations. If I have wins, I win 5.